In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone using Windows 11. To update your iPhone using Windows 11, we first need to download an application called Apple Devices. To do this, we first want to click on the Start menu, and you want to search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Once it opens, you want to select the search box at the very top, and you want to search for Apple Devices. Once you've done that, it should be the top result, which will look like this. Now you want to select the Get button or Install button to download it to your Windows 11 PC. So now we've downloaded Apple Devices, you just want to go ahead and open it up. And when you open it up, you see the license agreement, so you want to select Agree, and then you want to select Start, and then you'll see the program, which will look like this. Now we just need to go ahead and connect our iPhone to our Windows 11 PC. When we do this, you may also need to unlock your iPhone and select Trust and enter in the iPhone passcode. And once you've done this, you should see your iPhone information pop up like this. To update our iPhone software, all we need to do is to select the Update button, and it will go ahead and scan for a new update. If one is available, you'll see this pop up with the version of the update, which is 26.4, so you want to select Update. The update notes will then pop up, so you can read through these if you'd like, and once you're ready, you want to select Next, and then you want to agree to the end user agreement, and then you need to enter in the passcode on your iPhone, and then you want to select Continue. Once you've done this, it's going to begin to download the new iOS update to your Windows 11 PC, and once it's downloaded, it will then begin to install it. During this process, you may need to enter in your iPhone passcode a few times for it to fully update. If you cannot update your iPhone automatically, then you can do this manually. To do this, we first need to download the update file to our Windows 11 PC. To do this, we want to open our web browser, and you want to go to IPSW.me, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here, we just need to select our device. So in this example, it's an iPhone, and it's an iPhone 15 Pro. And here you can see all of the available updates we can download. So for the example of this video, I'm going to select the latest one as of recording, which is 26.4, and then you want to select Download, and then you want to go ahead and download the update to your Windows 11 PC. So now we've downloaded the IPSW file, we just need to manually install it. So to do that, we want to head back over to Apple Devices and connect our iPhone. Now you want to make sure you're in the General tab, and then you want to hold Shift and click Update, and this will bring up the File Explorer. From here, you want to go ahead and select the IPSW file we have just downloaded and select Open, and then it's going to bring up the same dialog box, and it's important you check that you've downloaded the correct update. Once you're ready, you want to select Update, and then follow the step-by-step process to update your iPhone. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and consider hitting the join button below. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.